Think coral reefs are gone for good? Think again. Scientists are now creating bioengineered coral, living structures designed to survive warming oceans. These corals are bred for heat resistance, making them far more resilient to climate change. Some even glow under UV light, helping researchers track their health. Bioengineered reefs can be planted on damaged ocean floors, instantly boosting marine biodiversity. These living labs are also being used to filter pollutants, restoring water quality. Like this video and subscribe for tomorrow's wildest tech. Space hotels may be closer than you think. Follow the link if you also want to start with faceless video creation bit.ly 40xLFJB.